Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Vasily Garage up in here. As you can tell, here in Arkansas, we got some snow and it's melting. And in case you wonder what are we going to do today, we're gonna install something on the MT10 that I've been waiting for over 2 months. I've been waiting for this exhaust for over 2 months. 2 months. You want to hear what it sounds like without a muffler? Let's go ahead and turn it on real quick, yeah. Anyways, you get the idea. This thing, freaking quiet. Even without a muffler, it's still quiet. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Man, it's cold. Man, it's cold. Go ahead and open this box. And let's see what we got in this box. Alright. This exhaust, man. I was looking for exhausts for this bike, I kid you not, for probably for 2 weeks. And the only exhaust that actually I liked, the way it sounds, the way it looks, it was an Austin Racing exhaust. Go ahead and just put this down here for quick for a second. You like, yo, bro. Come on now. I got the bead pipe right here. We'll wrap this right here so I can show you. Stainless steel, excuse me. Look at it. Damn, 1, 2, 3 O2 sensors? Damn. I didn't even know it's got that many O2 sensors. Look at those welds, bro. Okay. Let me go ahead and pull the muffler out of here. This is it right here. All right. Let's put this bubble wrap down here. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Now, from Austin Racing, you can pretty much build your own exhaust how you want it. So you can do this in carbon fiber, anodized black, silver, stainless steel, and you can do the tip with different colors. I mean, with this type, does a GPRR tip, which it gives a very nice racing, because I have silver. See that? See how I have silver on the bike? So see how the black kind of matches with that? I think it's gonna be something like that. Anyways, so this is it right here. So, the next thing I gotta do, it comes with the plugs. So you can plug up the O2 sensors. You're not gonna use it. Got instruction right here. And this is it. So after I install the exhaust, I have to pull the ECU out and send that out to get it, melt that out to get it flashed. And then I'll be back in business. Well, as you can tell, we got snow. And I won't be riding my bike this week. So this would be a good time to just kind of install the exhaust and get it sent out so I can be able to get it back in time. So whenever it warms out outside, be able to go beast mode. So let's go ahead and get it installed. I haven't installed it yet, but from what I gather, you're gonna remove the O2 sensors, the canister, which is the cats, and then you got this little chingalera right here, which is kind of stupid, you know what I mean? It's got like a little butterfly inside there. So it's got like a little throttle body, and then you remove all that out and underneath the seat to take the whole system out. So it's pretty much, it's all there. You can pretty much see what it needs to. And the ECU, I believe ECU is tucked underneath here, I believe. It's very easy to take it out. So I'll go ahead and just show you guys here. So let's get to it. Well, there it is. Nice and installed. Actually matches very nice. See how the silver matches with the silver here, matches with the silver here, black, stainless steel. I got this Lightech racing, what's it called, pegs, whatever you want to call them. And these ones, actually I have to make a bracket to actually bolt it up to the exhaust right there, because this was made to bolt up to the factory OEM cassette. But since I got an aftermarket one, it doesn't look like I got a bracket, so I have to make something over there. But it's nice and steady, so it's got a nice GPRR double R tip silver, which has got a nice combination. It matches with the bike very well. Well, now I'm gonna take the ECU and send that out. And this is the stuff I took off. This is a stupid thing right here. See on the exhaust, it's got that proportional valve right there, you know, with the little module. It's got some clamps. It's got a shield right here. And of course the muffler, which muffler is right there. But yeah, I'm gonna send the ECU today, and hopefully I'll get it back within a week. And then once I get the ECU back, I'm just gonna fire it up and give you a sound clip. So yeah. Austin Racing for the win. Yeah, buddy. So I got my ECU back from Two Wheel Dyno Works. And this is where it's going. Let's see here if I can hold this here. Hi guys, got the ECU all installed. So we got the Austin Racing all installed. Good, ready to go, yo. Yeah. Let's see. Moment of truth. It's gonna wake my wife up.